So the fourth tip and trick you will learn today is the eating frequency. So if you want to lose body fat very fast without suffering, you have to eat at more frequency. So each 2 to 3 hours you have to eat a meal that consists of water, the first thing, then you have to eat your protein, then you have to eat your fiber. Okay? And you will wait, let's say you eat your first meal. After 2 to 3 hours you will eat the second meal. After 2 to 3 hours you will eat the third meal, and like that until you go to sleep and start your next day. So why this will help you? First thing, when you are eating frequent meals, you will not feel hungry. Okay, so you are all the time eating, but you are eating small meals. The next thing, when you are knowing that you have another meal after 2 hours or 3 hours, you will not go and eat something that is not in your meal plan. Okay, so you will have meal plan and you will go by it because you know that you will eat after 2 to 3 hours, so it's not a lot of time. Okay, so try this and tell me what you will feel.